art room, basketball court, canteen, changing room, chapel, classroom, computer room, corridor, design and technology room, dormitory, English corner, football pitch, football field, gymnasium, gym, home economics room, laboratory, library, locker, medical room, multimedia learning center, MMLC, music room, playground, principal's office, school entrance, school hall, school office, tuck shop, staff room, teacher's room, attendance record, bell, blackboard, chalk, eraser, multiplication table, notice board, bulletin board, seating plan, stationery, timetable, visual aid, whiteboard, alumni, caretaker, janitor, chairperson, class committee, class representative, class teacher, form teacher, coach, headmaster, headmistress, principal, IT technician, librarian, monitor, monitress, prefect, native English-speaking teacher, NET, Parent-Teacher Association, PTA, schoolmate, secretary, social worker, student union, student, pupil, subject leader, subject panel, supply teacher, teaching assistant, the leader of the row, treasurer, tutor.
Automobile technology,
business fundamentals, catering services, Chinese history, Chinese language, civic education,
computer literacy,
design and technology, design fundamentals, desktop publishing, economic and public affairs, EPA, electronics and electricity, English language, fashion design, geography, graphical communication, history, home economics, mathematics, music, physical education, PE,
Putonghua.
Religious education, RE. Retail merchandising. Science. Social studies. Technology and living. Technology fundamentals. Visual arts. Chinese Cultural Week. Drama competition. Exchange program.
Field trip.
Field work. Fire drill. Morning assembly. Open day. Parents' Day. Prize presentation ceremony. Prize day. Revision week. School anniversary. School carnival. School picnic. Singing contest. Speech day. Sports day. Summer camp. Summer holidays. Summer vacation. Swimming gala. Talent show.
Assignment. Average mark. Classwork. Clause test. Coursework. Dictation. Examination. Fail. Grade. Homework. Oral. Pass. Public examination. Quiz. Task. Test. Worksheet.
Absent. Academic performance. Academic qualifications. Academic year. Attendance. Behavior. Case study.
Certificate.
Conduct. Course book. Textbook. Detention. Discipline. Education. Extracurricular activities. Floating class.
Form.
Graduate.
Group discussion. Group interaction.
Higher education. Tertiary education.
Individual presentation.
Intake.
Module.
Mother tongue teaching. Night school. Prefect. Private school. Public school. Punishment. Reading comprehension. Reading material. Recess. Reference. Registration. Reply slip. Report card. Research. Retake. Review. Revise.
Role play.
Rote learning.
School fee.
School regulation. School uniform. School days. School leaver. Semester. School term. Student handbook. Subject. Transcript.
Career counselor. Ceramic studio. Curriculum. Syllabus. Demerit. Distance learning. Distinction. Drill. Dropout. Dyslexia. Learning disability.
Memorize.
Merit. Pop quiz. Practical. Remedial class. Scholarship. Speciality. Stream. Tuition.